Guys, Benjamin Wester here at my grandma's house. We had a massive hailstorm come through. Look at the bird feeder. It's like destroyed. Freaking window destroyed. Let's show you. Stick back here. Oh God. Destruction. Looks like a freaking war zone. This is basically Iowa in the summertime, every single month of summer. It's bad. I've seen some other videos, like some other dude was in Klemme and they recorded it. He was in Garner, said some power lines snapped right off the thing. No. And I can't wait to show you this tree. This was my grandma's biggest tree in the yard. I can't wait to show you this. Oh my God. You guys are gonna love this one. It was awesome and it's scary at the same time. Look at this. It's devastating. Yeah, it's that bad. So I don't know about any of you folks living inside the town of Klemme, but R.I.P. Klemme.